Well, good day. It is Monday, March 3rd. That's right, the very first day of a brand new month, third month of the year. And Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us now on Power Talk Radio. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you?
Doing pretty good. So we have an interesting story today about Alexa Plus. It's the next generation of Alexa. And what's so special about this, and why do we want to grab it?
Well, we've had Alexa for, it seems like over 10 years now. And Alexa's kind of fun, but a little annoying because it's very robotic. And it was only a matter of time before Amazon started to incorporate generative AI, the technology that powers ChatGPT and Gemini, which are two competing products. So they're now incorporating Gen AI into Alexa and calling it Alexa Plus. So rather than it being robotic and kind of just reactive, it can now be much more of a digital assistant to the owners of Alexa devices, being able to do things like predict what kind of things the owner might want because based on previous history and doing things like that. And you can be much more interactive in asking for information or asking for Alexa Plus to complete certain tasks for you. So it's a pretty exciting time, and it's going to be rolling out over the course of the next few weeks.
Well, that sounds really interesting. And what's it going to cost, or is it going to be free?
So if you are an Amazon Prime member, it is going to be included. So you don't pay anything extra other than what you already pay for Prime. But if you're not a Prime member, it's going to cost you about $20 a month. So quite frankly, it's way cheaper, much more economic, and you get a bunch more benefits becoming a Prime member. So I think the majority of people that will use Alexa Plus will be using it as Prime members.
Is there any worries that anybody should have with privacy concerns?
Well, we all suspect that everything we say is being listened into by all these devices that we have, whether it's, a Google device or an Amazon device. But the reality is that there are a number of privacy and security protections built into Alexa Plus, if you believe what Amazon is saying, and I do. And it's intended to make sure that your interactions with Alexa Plus are completely separate from everybody else's, and it's not recorded or stored away anywhere else. So I think, you're going to enjoy Alexa Plus.
That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online, alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is their X handle. Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-TEAM. That's 866-784-8326.